Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to talk about real-time reports in Google Analytics. So as soon as you log in into Google Analytics, you will be able to see real-time stats in this section. And if you want to open up the real-time report, click on real-time and click on overview. So here you can see right now there is no real-time user. So I'm going to visit my website on mobile and see whatever we will track, and also we can see how the behavior is reported on the dashboard of real-time reports. So wait a moment, let me visit my website on mobile. So as you can see, user count is increased to 1, and there is one user, that is me, and I am on the home page. Okay, so it is showing this active page as home page. So let's go on location tab. So let's click on location, and here it is showing the country as India, and if I click on India it will show the city, which is Mumbai. So if I go to traffic source, let's click on traffic source. So it will give me a source as direct because I directly type the URL in the browser of my mobile. And if I go on content tab, so it will show me the active pages homepage and the title is best computer chess. So let me go to some other page in mobile. So I'll go on some other page. So right now I've clicked on some other page in my mobile, and this active page should change here. So right now you can see the page has been changed to about page because right now I am in the about us page of in my mobile, and the page title also has been changed. So So that's how the real-time report works. So best example is that when you send an email campaign to your subscriber, you can track the real-time data here. Okay. So once you send an email to your subscriber, so this will be the real-time data you can capture, and this is how it works. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.